Oke guys, jadi kali ini aku akan nge-review shotgun terbaru ya. Bukan terbaru juga sih, udah lama yang namanya shotgun api. Langsung aja kita main di training ya. Oke, let's go.
Play cool, baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Walk around like you're brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view.
Jadi segitu aja guys ya. Cuma segitu doang reviewnya. Iya guys.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around